Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zay here, bringing you another episode of Only Hustling Game. And yes, guys, I know it's been about 2 weeks since I posted. Hope you guys missed me as much as I missed y'all because, man, creating content, it's been awesome. And I want to say I appreciate you guys for the growth of this channel. We only started making videos, I think, in the third week of August. We got 41 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. No, it's not a lot compared to these other channels, but it means a lot to me that you guys watch my content. And I hope you can get something out of it. Since I haven't been posting, there's been, some pretty red days in the stock market and the crypto market. Actually, it's been a bloodbath pretty recently. And I kind of just want to talk about that a little bit. I want to give you guys my 5 reasons that the markets have been down, as well as one of my #1 tips for you guys going into 2022 and the biggest change I'm gonna be making to my portfolios in order to stay better, properly prepared in these markets. So when these dips happens, you know exactly what to do, and your portfolios don't take such a huge hit. So we're gonna be talking about that as well. So if that sounds like something you guys are interested in, please leave this video a like because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also, guys, if you're new to the channel and don't have any brokerages out to start investing in the stock market or crypto market, go ahead and check out those links in the description below. Sign up using my referral code, and when you do, you can get some free stocks as well as some free crypto, guys. And I'm just gonna put you guys on game real quick. Even if you don't want to use my referral codes, if you want your own, to use your own for your family and friends, go ahead and do that, guys. The number one brokerage app out there I want you guys to check out, this free game, is Webull. The reason I say Webull, right, is because recently they were doing a promotion to where if you get somebody to sign up and they deposit even $1, guys, they'll give you 6 free stocks. So even if you don't use my referral code, if you guys want to do this, you can get somebody to sign up using your referral code, and when they do, you'll get 6 free stocks. Now, those 6 free stocks you can keep inside the trading platform if you want to, or you can sell it, get the money, and it's free money, literally free money, guys. So go ahead and check that out. This free game for you guys. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. All right, so first off, guys, reasons that this market has been so red lately, the stock market and crypto market. The first one I want to talk about is the Evergrande real estate developer group defaulting on their debt. So, as you guys know, I made a previous video on this where I was saying Evergrande. It's actually pronounced Evergrande, and this is one of China's real estate and developer groups. They had about $300 billion worth of debt, and they defaulted on it, basically meaning that they were not able to pay it back. They had a grace period, so they defaulted on their debt, as well as some bonds. It's crazy because a lot of investors and analysts alike have been saying that the real estate market has been in a bubble for quite some time. So that's crazy because with Evergrande defaulting on their debt, if something in the real estate market as a whole was to just pop all of a sudden, that would be tremendous for the market because there are so many different companies, so many different stocks, REITs, that are involved in the real estate, real estate sector, that it would have a huge impact on the market. Also, guys, the raising of interest rates, just inflation itself, when it comes to the debt ceiling for the United States, there's talks about around $30 trillion that the United States has for debt, close to that. So they were talking about raising debt, raising it even higher. And so that's not great. That's not good at all because, raising the debt on something that already can't be paid back is not a good look. It puts the United States in a bad position because, as you guys know, the United States currency is seen as the reserve currency, right? It's kind of seen as like the backup currency of the world, right? People, try to value things based on the United States dollar. And so doing this, trying to raise a debt ceiling even higher when you already have debt that can't be paid off, it's not good. And that's definitely affected these markets as well. Living expenses, the inflation, everything going up from gas to food, to things that normal people buy every single day, that has also played an effect on the markets. And if you've seen anything in the news lately, you know about the new COVID variant, Omicron. That's created a lot of widespread fear and panic, and that has also contributed to these red markets. And also, guys, just pretty typical around this time of year. We're about 2 weeks away from Christmas. People like to take profits during this time for obvious reasons, to get new goods and, you know, buy gifts for families and friends. So that's not really unheard of around this time, but that is another contributing factor. And that kind of plays into the whole sell-off in the stock market and crypto market. Now, people just like to take profit during this time of year. So, but yeah, guys, those are just some of the reasons right now that have played an effect in, you know, making the stock market and crypto market as red as it has been these past few weeks. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the crypto market real quick. At the time of this recording, the global market cap is $2.14 trillion. Some of the top coins, Bitcoin is down to $47,000. Ethereum is trading at $3,776. We got Cardano at $1.21. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Dogecoin is down to 15 cents. If you've been holding the bag on Dogecoin, guys, I salute you. I have as well. And we're just gonna have to keep on holding because I am not selling Dogecoin at a loss. Shiba Inu has hit that 0.00033 support line. It's been there for a little bit. But one of the main cryptos I want to be highlighting and I kind of want to give the spotlight to right now is, of course, ICP, Internet Computer. It is down to $24 in the past 30 days. It is down 48%, guys. Remember, this is the coin that debuted at $750 per coin. It had a massive sell-off, went down to around $350. Everybody thought that was a great buying opportunity, so they bought in, lost a lot of money. I own about 11 ICP coins right now, with an average buy price of about, I think, $48 or $49. So I'm down about 50% of my position as well. I'm just gonna keep buying this coin, guys. I'm gonna keep buying it, and I'm not saying it's gonna go up to $750 again, but I do think that it can rebound a bit, hopefully sometime in 2022. There's still talks on whether or not this is the start of the bear market, or if we have, you know, any kind of run left as far as the bear market goes. But guys, I'm thinking this is the start of the bear market for crypto. I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna go ahead and act like I'm really positive that that we can go up to 100,000 with Bitcoin. I'm not seeing it possible by the end of this year. I don't think that's gonna happen. So this very well could be the start of a bear market. Who knows? But all the same, it doesn't matter, because when it comes to these blue chip cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, Solana, Polkadot, Cosmos, Chainlink, all of those guys, I just, not financial advice, but I would just say, you know, it's red. You know, you want to buy when it's red. You don't want to buy when it's super green. But of course, then again, you know, dollar cost average doesn't necessarily mean you only buy when it's red. But it just means that when a time like this happens, it's a good buying opportunity. And it can get your cost basis down, which is very important. It's always good when you can lower your cost basis. So, you know, that's just crypto right now for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market real quick. Take a look at our portfolio. Here, down a lot, guys, a lot. You know, we used to be up to about over $7,000. Now we're down a lot. Tesla's looking like a pretty good buy right now. It's down to $955. ChargePoint, another great buy. It was down recently. It was down all the way to like about $19. Rivian Motors trading at $118, another great buy. If we go over to our public portfolio, Luminaire Technologies is looking at around $14. There was an article published from Yahoo Finance talking about is getting into ticker symbol LAZR, otherwise known as Luminaire Technologies. Is it a good time to start buying in? Because it's looking pretty promising right now. It's up 10% in the past like 3 months or 2 months or whatever it was. So that was an article to definitely check out. It's kind of nice to finally see Luminaire Technologies getting some attention, because I feel like it is one of those underdogs that is eventually going to take off with the rest of the EV market when, you know, 2022 comes around and the stock market starts slowly recovering and taking off again. That's just a little bit of the stock market, guys, as well as the crypto market. I just kind of wanted to briefly cover it. One of the main things I wanted to talk to you guys about, and my number one tip for you guys, something I'm definitely going to focus on in 2022, because I didn't really in 2021. I kind of went crazy this year investing in the stock market and the crypto market. And, you know, I'm still learning with you guys. I'm still learning as well. That's just going to be taking your whole portfolio and making sure you have 10% invested in your buying power. So When it comes to the crypto space, you would want 10% in a stable coin such as the Gemini USD coin, GUSD, or USDT Tether, USDC coin. When it comes to an investing app like Robinhood or Webull, you want to have that in your buying power and your settled cash. Reason for this, guys, is you would be properly prepared for these dips in the stock market. That way, when you have these massive dips in the stock market and the crypto market, you can go ahead and dollar cost in to your positions, lowering your cost basis. That way, when another bull run happens or when the stock goes crazy and takes off, you're going to be up that much more because you were able to lower your position. And it's always important to have that buying power readily available, because for one thing, you don't want to constantly tap into your savings or transfer money from your savings to your checkings or your checking to your brokerage app. It's nice to have instant deposit on Robinhood, but if you could allocate money to going into your buying power and stick to that and just kind of really stay dedicated to allocating your money in those types of ways, having kind of like that set budget, then you're going to be very well off, guys, because having money in your buying power, having 10% of your portfolio in there, it's always going to work out for the best, because you'll always have that cash readily available to buy in on these dips, and it's going to help your portfolio out a whole lot. You know, that's not to say you should only buy when it's red, but that is ideal, right? That's what we're looking to do. We're looking to get these stocks and these cryptos on sale. So that is my biggest piece of advice for you guys moving into 2022. Make sure to have 10% of your portfolio in your buying power. That way you can be properly prepared for these dips. Now, guys, I know that wasn't a whole lot. We didn't really, speak a whole lot this time or cover any new projects, but I'm going to be pushing out content like crazy now that I'm feeling a little bit better. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you guys took anything away from this video, please let me know. And again, I appreciate your guys' continued support. Thank you guys so much for getting us over 40 subscribers. I know that's not a big number, but hopefully we can hit 100 subscribers soon, and then we're gonna go to 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, all that good stuff, guys. So I hope you're around. Hope you guys are along for the journey. Let's go ahead and give this video a like. Turn on the notification bell. That way you guys are updated every time I post a video, and continue to do what you're doing, man. You're here watching this video, so that means you're invested in your financial health, and you're looking to better yourself and get yourself in a better position than you were yesterday. And for that, I salute you, man. I salute you. And yeah, let's just continue to learn together and grow together. And I wish you guys a great day. I hope you're having a good day, a good night. It's your boy Zay, bringing you another episode of Only Hustle.